What's up, guys? This is Linus the Taiwanese who teach Chinese online. Today, I want to tell you about something that you probably didn't know originated from Taiwan, and that's bubble milk tea. In fact, you could even say bubble milk tea is our representative drink, as it encapsulates the mind, body, and spirit of Taiwanese people. Tea stands for the Chinese cultures that comes to us by blood. Milk represents the cultural influence from multiple countries such as Spain, Portugal, Japan, America, and so on. Sugar shows how sweet we are. Finally, the tapioca pearls represent the Taiwan spirit. Hardworking, flexible, and enduring. Today, besides enjoying a fresh cup of bubble milk tea, let me tell you a bit more about this extraordinary Taiwanese drink that changed the world.
Number 1. What is bubble milk tea? 什么是珍珠奶茶？
Bubble milk tea is a tea-based drink that originated in Taiwan in the early 1980s. The most common and basic one is chilled milk tea, accompanied by black chewy tapioca balls.
Number 2. The name of bubble milk tea. 珍珠奶茶的名字。
There are many different English names for bubble milk tea, such as pearl milk tea, boba tea, tapioca tea, and so on. However, after watching this video, you will be able to call it by its official Chinese name, which is 珍珠奶茶. Repeat after me. 珍珠奶茶. 珍珠 means pearl, and 奶茶 means milk tea. If you really love bubble milk tea, call it by its original Chinese name.
Number 3. The origin of bubble milk tea. 珍珠奶茶的起源。
There are two tea shops in Taiwan who claim they invented bubble milk tea. One is 春水堂 from Taichung, and the other one is 翰林茶馆 from Tainan. 春水堂 said that bubble milk tea was invented by its tea product director, Lin Xiuhui, when she was a clerk back in 1985. She added tapioca balls into her milk tea as her own private tea drink. She only shared the drink with close friends and regular customers. After a while, it became so popular that it was officially introduced on the menu in 1987. On the other hand, 翰林茶馆 said that its owner, Tu Zhonghe, was inspired by the white tapioca balls that were sold by a vendor in a food market. He decided to add the tapioca balls into a cup of milk tea and found the taste to be extremely good. According to him, this was the birth of the first cup of bubble milk tea. Later, he also experimented with adding brown sugar to the white tapioca balls, which in the end turned into the black tapioca balls that we use today. Nowadays, you are able to choose whether to put black or white tapioca balls in your bubble milk tea. 春水堂 and 翰林茶馆 even went to court in Taiwan to fight for the name and the recognitions of being the first inventor. Nevertheless, the verdict said that bubble milk tea is a new type of drink, so it cannot be patented. In the end, none of them won the patent or the trademark, which means any tea shop could sell bubble milk tea. This outcome turned out to be quite fortunate, as it helped make bubble milk tea the most iconic drink in Taiwan.
Number 4. How to order bubble milk tea in Chinese. 怎么用中文点珍珠奶茶？
You can pretty much find bubble milk tea at any tea shop, tea vendor, tea booth, or tea restaurant in Taiwan, and each store often has its own style of bubble milk tea. Here is how you order. First of all, say 你好, hi to the clerk. Secondly, after the clerk says 你要什么? What would you like to have? You can say 我要一杯珍珠奶茶. I would like to have a cup of bubble milk tea. Thirdly, the clerk will ask you 甜度, 冰块, sweetness, and ice. As for 甜度, sweetness, there are 全糖 for sugar, 少糖 less sugar, 半糖 half sugar, 微糖 quarter sugar, and 无糖 no sugar. As for 冰块 ice, there are 正常冰 full ice, 少冰 less ice, and 去冰 no ice. You can then use the information and answer the clerk with this pattern such as 我要半糖去冰. With these two customization options, you can find the combinations that you enjoy the most. If you don't want to think too much, you can just say 都正常. I want both of them to be regular. Then you will receive the bubble milk tea with the store standard recipe. Lastly, after paying for your drink, you will have to patiently wait for a minute or two before receiving your freshly made bubble milk tea. One more thing, don't forget to grab a thick straw so the tapioca balls won't get stuck. Also, don't forget to say 谢谢, thanks.
Number 5. How to drink bubble milk tea. 怎么喝珍珠奶茶?
There are 3 simple steps when it comes to drinking bubble milk tea. Shake it, pop it, drink it. 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 Shake the bubble milk tea to make sure that everything is perfectly mixed. Comfortably pop the straw through the cup sealing fume. Enjoy your drink.
Number 6. Feel like making bubble milk tea by yourself? 想自己做珍珠奶茶吗?
If you happen to be in Taiwan and want to experience making bubble milk tea by yourself, you can register on 春水堂's website. Unfortunately, the page is mainly in Chinese and the course is also given in Chinese only, but I will still leave the link in the descriptions for your reference. Thank you so much for watching this video. Next time when you hang out with your friends having bubble milk tea, you can proudly share what you know about 珍珠奶茶, while also teaching them a little bit of Chinese. Thanks again for being here with me. If you like my content, make sure that you subscribe, like, and share. Your support means a lot to me. Have a wonderful day and I will see you next time. Bye!